Where is the data for our tiles stored? We're going to get into that in this video, 159. What we did previously was going over the Pix 2048 layout. Now we're going to get into the tile data. These are some disallowed variables here. We're going to use these variables, which are constants for the different room indexes. R13 is a variable holding one of those room indexes. And these are the room indexes. This is what a level pack actually looks like. This is the spatial organization of rooms 0 through 12. In the data layout, rooms 0 through 12 are stored like this. We have a 512 by 512 chunk of pixels. Each room within a level pack is allotted 128 by 128 pixels that will bit pack tile information. Let's look at room 12 in more detail. What do those 128 pixels stand for? Well, it stands for something like a MIP map, except we're going to store tiles, bombs, and a thing called FATA. FATA is fire or damage. It depends on the state information in the tile. All of the different powers of 2 tiles for tiles, bombs, and FATA are stored in this subsection down here. In more detail, we have the origin points of the tile data, bomb data, and FATA data. And we're writing this out so that we have an idea of the code we're going to need to write in the future. Here's some constants we're going to need to put in the code, some variables we're going to use in the get and put code, and some tags for finding those diagrams. This is what we did in this video. We did the tile data layout explanation, and in the next video, we'll probably put the constants and variables that we referenced in the diagrams in the code. You've been here. If you want me to go into more detail, you can go here. You can get the source code here. Email me here. This has been video 159. Like and subscribe.